Tangay talaga. Wait lang, tatry lang naman. Game, pasok ka! Action! Ayan, naka-record na. Pause, test. Ayaw mo pause eh.
Oh my God!
O yan, pause. Ito. Oh.
Sex education. Sex education is about education of sex. Okay, class, define sex. Tangina mo. Dapat pa saan na? What is sex?
Uncheck.
Ninya.
It is the pastime of the gays.
Are gays? Really?
Sir!
Okay. What about you, darling?
Sir!
What's that in terms of sex? Huh? I don't care.
Ang sexy, oh.
What about education?
Oh.
Sir,
Do you know what is education?
education is the primary.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Again. Bye! Quiet please, game. Tuloy yung ano nyo.
Wait guys, wala
Stand by. Mag-act na kayo. Mag-act na kayo. Action!
Wait guys, wala yung visual at si sir.
Action!
Wait guys, wala.
Action!
Wait, wala yung visual at si sir.
Okay! Action!
Wait, walang English, wala daw si sir. Wala.
Yung boses na kailangan. Action!
Wait, walang English, wala daw.
Okay? Action!
Wait, walang English, wala daw si sir.
Sapa. Action!
Wait, walang English, wala daw si sir.
Action!
Wait, walang English, wala daw si sir.
Go!
Wait, walang English, wala daw si sir. Yun yung sabi.
Action!
Wait, walang English, wala daw si sir. Oo nga. Ano ba yan? Chika lang yan. Hindi, sabi nila. Wala. Kasi naman eh.
Stand by. Ingay kayo! Huy! Action!
Wait, walang English, wala daw si sir. Sabi nila.
Wala ginagawa?
Wait, walang English, wala daw si sir. Oo nga. Sabi nila. Wala.
Okay, stand by.
Ingay.
Ayan, ingay kayo. Huy!
Tayo kayo.
Okay. Dialogue mo. Yung dialogue mo kanina.
Yung...
Oo.
Uy, walang English, wala daw si sir.
Uy, guys, sino may yellow paper dyan?
Okay. Okay, acting kayo. Okay.
Wala daw si sir, walang English.
Uy, guys, sino may yellow paper?
Ay, ako meron. Titignan ko lang ha.
Guys, sino may yellow paper? I have.
Let me see. Kuya.
Uy, guys!
Action!
Uy, guys, sino may yellow paper?
Action!
Uy, guys, sino may yellow paper?
Ay, wala ka. Sorry.
Ano ba yan?
Isa pa. Action!
Uy, guys, sino may yellow paper?
Ay, wala.
Isa pa. Action!
Uy, guys, sino may yellow paper?
Ako meron. Wait lang. Ito. Ay, wala.
Cut!